Nestled on a quiet court minutes from Rouge National Urban Park, on a premium-sized lot that is almost 200 feet deep, welcome to 217 Wilcroft Court, a well-maintained 3-bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within West Pickering's very desirable Highbush neighbourhood. Landscaped front and back, and enjoying a wonderful sense of privacy, the home has a pool-sized backyard retreat shaded by a gorgeous mature maple tree, while mature evergreens and shade trees line the driveway, which can accommodate parking for up to 10 vehicles in addition to the attached single-car garage. Interlocking stone wraps around from the front of the garage to the main entrance, which opens into a slate-tiled foyer of a main level with warm and inviting principal rooms, all showcasing beautiful finishing details. Throughout these rooms and the main hallway is the richness of plank hardwood flooring, with the dining room showcasing a custom built-in oak wall cabinet as well as oak crown moldings, the crown molding having been continued into the adjacent living room. Here, a north-facing bay window allows for diffused natural light, while the contemporary farmhouse chandelier in the dining area enhances the warm ambiance of these elegant entertaining spaces. The entire main level also features deep baseboards, while crown moldings, pot lighting, and chair rail elegantly finish the foyer, main hallway, and the family room, which is fully open to this home's new kitchen, and with both of these spaces enjoying south-facing exposures. The bright, modern design of the kitchen showcases cabinetry with accent lighting, quartz counters and a brick backsplash, as well as a stainless steel double-wide undermount sink, built-in microwave and dishwasher, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a French door fridge. And bathed in light through a bay window is a cozy breakfast area, which overlooks the backyard. Off the family room is a sliding door walkout complete with interior blinds to the backyard, which opens onto a large, newly stained custom cedar entertaining deck that has privacy lattice on its west and east sides, and which overlooks a pool-sized yard with a storage shed and a lovely sitting area under the shade of the maple tree. The main level also features a powder room with a slate-tiled floor, chair rail, and a vanity with an elegant drop-in basin. And the foyer has a mirrored door double closet, a secondary side entrance into the home, and a staircase with an oak hardwood railing to the upper level. This level showcasing 3 naturally bright bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a laundry area. The main 4-piece washroom features a tiled floor and bath area, its updated vanity having a countertop basin and upgraded lighting, the carpeted second and third bedrooms have good-sized south-facing windows, space for study areas, and double closets with mirrored doors. And the laundry area has an LG front-load washer and dryer with a folding counter above them. The hallway's plank hardwood flooring is also showcased in the lovely master suite, which has a sitting area by its bay window, spacious 4-piece ensuite washroom with a tiled floor, a tiled bath and shower area, as well as a vanity with upgraded lighting, and the bedroom also features a wall-to-wall closet with mirrored doors. The fully finished lower level features a cold room and storage under the staircase, and this level, with its open concept layout, offers exceptional living and entertaining space, while also having future potential for conversion into a basement suite. Featuring broadloom, oak trims and baseboards, pot lighting, and a 2-piece washroom, the large recreation area has 2 distinct spaces. A family media room showcasing a custom built-in oak wall unit with a gas fireplace, while the games room has an oak storage cabinet and wall ledge. The built-in wall unit on this level and the wall cabinet in the main level dining room, both customized by a Red Seal certified carpenter. Minutes to the trail system that winds its way throughout the natural beauty of nearby Rouge National Urban Park, a short walk to West Creek Public School, within the catchment area of Frenchman's Bay Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs, and also minutes to a wide variety of shops, restaurants, and services along Kingston Road for everyday conveniences. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.